to introduce the panelists of this event, Mr. Pramod Mahajan, Principal and Director of Sharjah Indian School, Sharjah. And he will speak on Indo-UAE relations.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon, students. And Salam Alaikum, Namaste, Namaskar, Namaskaram. Yes, Indo-UAE relationship. From the ancient days, we started our relationship with supply of Ayurvedic medicines to UAE and the spices. And in return, we used to get pearls as well as the dates from UAE. So that was the beginning. Officially talking, in 1972, the UAE-Indo diplomatic relation starts. And from that day, it is growing. It is growing like anything. If you are in UAE, you will feel that just like you are in India. And the same wordings are coming from the UAE nationals also. Emiratis, when they are in India, they feel they are in UAE. So that is a linkage and that is the bonding. Now let us consider the culture. The culture of India and UAE is quite similar historically, geographically, as well as the base. Here it was dates and there it was agriculture. So both are agro based countries. Slowly the advancement happened, and UAE, they got oil and they become very rich in that field. So that was the another era when the UAE started helping India. If you consider the trading of India and UAE, it started with some 30 billion US dollar, and at this moment it has reached to 60 billion US dollar. UAE is the India's third largest trading partner, and if we consider the export, UAE is the second largest export destination of India after US. So that is in the field of export. Linguistic wise, if you see here in UAE, Emiratis, they say Arabic is our first language, Malayalam is our second language, and Hindi is our third language. And in UAE, in India, we do say Hindi is our first language, Urdu is our second language, which is again the cousin sister of Arabic, and Arab, yes, all the Holy Quran and all those things in India also, still it is in the Arabic. So language wise also we are connected. Language wise we are connected. Business wise we are connected. Agro industries wise we are connected. We are connected with export, import. Then considering the psychological thoughts and philosophical aspect, we believe in Panchtantra. Here they also believe in peace, purity, and humanitarian grounds. So they are also very kind people and have a great faith in the humanitarian values. You will be surprised, like India is known for a peaceful country, is, we can say, a world ambassador of peace, and UAE is famous for happiness. Here in UAE, there is a happiness ministry. There is a happiness minister in UAE. In India, we see the index of the share market. Here they observe the happiness index. In the schools, we have to prove that thing, how happy we are. So the happiness index is one of the criterion for the school inspection. Whatever percentage you are scoring, whatever results you are giving, that is secondary. How happy your students are, how happy your teachers are, how happy all the experts in the UAE, that is their criteria. Here the labor laws are very, very human friendly. In India, salary is fixed. It may be increased, it may be decreased anytime. But here in UAE, once your salary is fixed, your labor contract is done, your salary comes through the central bank of UAE. No employer can cheat you. So that much freedom is given to the employees who are working in UAE. We have got a lot of freedoms, lot of liberties, lot of respect, and full freedom and autonomy. Here in UAE, they do care about your talent, about your knowledge, and you can do wonders with your knowledge and talent. Happiness index, they do care of knowledge and talented people. Take the case of education. In education, they are worldwide famous for providing the first rate education. After the emirati students, they do take care all the aspects. Near about 250,000 250,000 Indian students are there in 150 Indian schools over the UAE. I'm talking about only Indian schools. 150 Indian schools, 250,000 students, various boards, CBSE, ICSE, as well as the Kerala State Board is also there.
Okay.
So Kerala State Board examinations happens in UAE. CBSE exams are there, ICSE exams are there. The Consulate General of India as well as the Ambassador of India situated at Abu Dhabi and Dubai, they are the people who are conducting those exams in UAE on behalf of Government of India. Now that is about the education. Religion, if you consider, it's quite liberty. There are good number of churches are there, and the biggest temple of the world is coming up in Abu Dhabi now. So this much liberal this country is. They are respecting each and every religion. For them, there is one supreme God, that is Allah. Humankind, if you consider, they are very kind people. UAE is not only the happiest country worldwide, but it is the safe and secure country also. Particularly, if you have to judge the respect given to the women, come to the UAE. In true sense, if Matru Deva Bhava, if we have to say that you can see in UAE. The women are so respected, the girls are so respected. Crime rate is near about zero, it's minimum. So crime rate is minimum. You have full liberty, you are safe, you are secure. Religiously, you can do your practices. Money wise, no tax, no tax at all. Whatever you want to earn, you earn. Purity wise, here one thing is there. Whatever you will get in UAE, that is 100% pure, no second thought. Here the municipal corporations rule, municipalities rules are very strict. Medicine wise, if you consider, the world best medical facility is available in the UAE. People say that the medical facility is very costly here, but in reality it is not like that. Here it is disciplined medical facility. If you have the medical insurance, the Mediclaim, it is 100% free for you. Not only the consultation, but the medicines also. But it all depends what category the medical insurance you are having. If you are having the medical insurance of good quality, everything is free. Your life is safe-sided. One thing is very clear, and I salute to the rulers and the father of the nation of UAE, the way they take care of the life of a person, of a human being, whoever be. Let me cite you one example. I'm heading Sharjah Indian School, the biggest school of UAE. We have near about 11,000 students. We have good number of drivers, conductors, and security guards. During this pandemic, some 8-9 months before, one of our security guard has got heart attack. Simply with his mobile, he has dialed the number of any hospital, and the ambulance has come. Ambulance has taken him, and within 36 hours, they spent 48 lakhs Indian rupees on him, and the bill came 0 dirham. So that is their concept. The life of each and every human being is important. And first 24 hours, first 48 hours, there is no charge if your life is in danger. When your life is out of danger, then they will say either you go to your country, your motherland, or you pay your bill, whatever be as per that. But they save the life of a child, of a person. So that much humanitarian values they follow. So that is the another aspect of the UAE. If you consider the modern relationship, our Prime Minister Honorable Modi ji has visited UAE. The Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and the Deputy Supreme Commander of Army of UAE. He has also visited India as a chief guest on our Republic Day in 2017. And after that, lot of political visits happened. And that every visit has strengthened the Indo-UAE relationship. Whether it is economic front, whether it is safety and security, whether it is army practices, whether it is fight against the terrorism, whether it is fight against the financial crisis, in every field, UAE is supporting us. Now, Army, Navy, as well as Air Force, we both are a partner. Bilateral relationship in educational cooperation and collaboration is strengthened like anything. To our surprise, our NEP 2020 is appreciated a lot by the Education Minister of UAE. So many times at so many platforms, he has indicated that this policy will bring a positive change. And after going through the NEP 2020, they have opened the doors for the higher education for the Indian students in a better way. The doors were already open, but now it is in a better way. It is in the form of welcoming them. World-class residential facilities provided to the Indian students, short courses, long-term courses. The process of equivalencies in their certification is at ease nowadays, and it is very easy for them to take the employment in UAE. So certification, equivalencies, rate of employment, rate of payment, tax-free, safe, secure, top-class medical facility, what is required. And that's why we Indian, 3.3 million in numbers in UAE, we do say India is our first home and UAE is our second home. So this much strong our relationship is there. As far as the export is concerned, India is doing export near about in officially 163 countries, out of which 8% is in UAE. So you can understand how strong our relationship is. So that is the another picture of the Indo-American relationship. Education wise, we do care here The Indian educators are respected like anything. Indian doctors are respected like anything. There is a demand of Indian engineers, as well as in the space also. There are a lot of areas they have opened and many Indians are working with them. If you consider banking, near about all banks are there in UAE. Bank of Baroda, ICICI, Axis Bank. Nice banking system is there. It is very easy to send the money from UAE to India tax free, become NRI, open NRI account and enjoy. So that much freedom is there. Not only that, the UAE ministry, UAE government ensures that thing, the money reaches to your bank properly and there is no TDS on that until and unless you are the NRI. After that, it is up to your country. So that is there. They do respect all the heritage of India. They do visit India like anything. There are many Emiratis are getting their PhDs from India in the field of science, language, as well as history. Co-curricular activities wise, if you say in UAE, the youth fest is very famous, and the youth fest is the total combination of all the performing arts, dance, music, various forms of the dance, instrumental, debate, and all Indian languages. Hindi, Malayalam, Tamil, Telugu, all the languages. I'm very happy to share with you that our school is the UAE champion from last 3 years in the U Fest. So that in the U Fest, all schools do participate. So they do respect the Indian culture and Indian co-curricular activities also. So that way we are very, very close. And I have got that proud privilege to meet near about 2, 3 times with the UAE Education Minister, His Excellency Hussein bin Ibrahim Al Hamidi, and the way he discuss about the Indian education system, it's a great salute to him. Very, very with due respect, as well as he has a depth like anything. He speaks fluent Hindi, good in Urdu, nice command over English, and he is the man of Arabic language. There is no second thought. But whenever we are meeting him, he greet us with Hindi words, some shairi or something like that. And he always says, yes, Indian education is a base for the education. On that base, on that platform, every country is jumping. So that much respect we have. So this is all about the generalized way of Indo UAE relationship, very strengthening. And because of nowadays that whatever be the political situations are there is very, very favorable, and we are growing like anything. And yes, the day will come that there will be a UAE within India and there will be India within UAE. Thank you very much.